Hello, I'm Nikolai. Welcome to Spoke Wanderer. Let's roll! So hello and welcome back. Now, as mentioned in my short, I have from CNC Racing the clamps for the clutch and for the brake cylinder. Now, there was one small problem. It didn't work on the brake because on the regular Multistrada 950, it's only 3 screws and they're completely different, but I'm gonna tell you later a bit more about that. On the clutch side, it worked perfectly. So I have the titanium screws and this one installed. Just on this side, it doesn't work. Now, why did I change that to this one? Now, some months back when I did the off-road training, I changed the original mirrors to the rim mount mirrors, the rough country, and they have these screws here. Now, here on the clutch side, there's one rivet. On the other side, it's with 3. Now, on the other side, it worked perfectly. Now, the dealer had only the one with 2. It worked somehow, but he destroyed the grooves of the mounting, so I couldn't mount anything anymore. That's why I changed to this one, and I was hoping both the CNC Racing aftermarket aluminum thingies work on both sides, but unfortunately not. Now here, this distance would be okay from these 2 screws, but this one is more narrow together, so I can't use it. I tried it out, but well, it is what it is. It just doesn't work. Still, I think it's okay. I keep it as it is. Now, Iconic Parts is a small company based in the UK, and UK is not anymore Schengen, so it's a bit of a challenge to send it out, especially to Europe. Now, I'm based in the United Arab Emirates, so that's actually not an issue to send it here. Customs I anyway have to pay, same like now in Europe. The package bounced back twice at Heathrow. It didn't even leave the country, it was sent back. Then I said, okay, I'm going for my vacation to Romania to visit family and friends and send it there. It should be easier sending from UK to within Europe. It was sent. I was 2 weeks there. It was, I've seen it's arrived in Romania. It was stuck in Bucharest over a week in customs, and actually it was delivered 1 day after we left the country. So it took quite a while. It was too hot now. Now we have already end September almost. I initiated the purchase on 7th of May. I've been mid-June in Romania. From Romania it was then sent here, which took another 5 weeks, funnily. Yeah, and finally it arrived. And let's do the installation and see how it works compared to the regular screen spacers. But first, let's remove the current screen. Was on and off and on and off, and yes, it's still not on. This one was the biggest challenge, you know, the locking mechanism, or the mount for my GPS for the Garmin XT. Plus some other things. Sorry, this comes with winglets, which are here. So I first made the setup and then see, okay, if there's any kind of disruption, you know, space issues. So I uninstalled it again and I fitted it. Then I wanted to unpack this, and yeah, as you can see, this is broken. So this was installed and I didn't see that it is broken. So because once it's there, it's clamped in, so you do not see it. So I can't use, unfortunately, I can't use the winglets. Yeah. Now it is installed. You can see this is the braces, and it has an additional part here to elevate even more. Now these are the spacers which I had before. The other ones, they didn't work on this screen here. It's done. Now, it took quite a while on, off, then finding out that the spacers, which came with the unit with these braces, they didn't fit. Luckily, I had the other ones which I had mounted before, so it fits quite well. On the other thing from CNC Racing, it's a pity that this part is not fitting on this side. Well, it is what it is. Now, the braces I ordered from my own money, and Jamie, the owner of Iconic Parts and the inventor of all these fantastic gadgets, he gave me the GPS mounting bracket for free on top. Now, this is the one which I had before, also from Iconic Parts, which is absolutely fantastic. I put links down in the description. A pity is that I can't use these things, you know. I mean, I think that would look absolutely fantastic if they're there, but what I didn't see, I just found out when I removed it, because it was held together, that this is unfortunately broken. So no winglets on my 950. Now, winglets, I think the V4 has. You can see, I think, how I'm sweating. Tomorrow I go for a ride and see what's the difference, because it is a good 1 to 1.5 centi further out with this spacers, with the additional spacers for the bracket. And yeah, anyway, a quick riding video will follow the next days. So thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave me definitely down a comment, hit the subscribe button, and I see you now that the temperatures are very nice, or getting nice, I have to say, because we still have around lunchtime 40 to 42 degrees Celsius outside, and here humidity is on some days up to 70 to 78 degrees percent, 70 to 78% humidity here in the coastal region, which is not very pleasant, combined with the temperature. Well, it is what it is, but soon it's going to be a bit more chilly. Again, thank you for watching, and I see you soon. I'm Nikolai, your Spoke Wanderer. Ciao for now.